Lesson 7. Scientific Perfection 2. C. The Earth being a globe and its rotation. The role of mountains in stabilizing it, the Earth's atmosphere, the cloud-rain cycle, water resources, the existence of gems in rivers and seas, and the nature of the agricultural soil. D. Animals and the role of water in their lives. E. Embryology, the benefits of honey, breastfeeding and hygiene, and prohibiting alcohol and harmful meats. F. Historical facts like Pharaoh's mummification, interpolation of good tidings of the Prophet Muhammad in the Torah and the Gospels, and the guidance to study natural history. G. The prophecy of preserving the Holy Quran until the end of the world, and the failure of human attempts to imitate it due to its uniqueness and perfection. Legislative inimitability. Quranic legislation is inimitable as it differs from any human legislation. It is comprehensive, integrative, and pursues a middle course. It begins with liberating the Muslim's mind from signs of polytheistic misconceptions and illusions by relating it to his Creator all along his lifespan, directing the Muslim's behavior to seek Allah's satisfaction in the hereafter. It trains him to be pious and control his caprices, and it builds a society based on solidarity and unity, protecting it from the incitement of Satan by deterring punishments. Evidence of Quran and Sunnah. The earth, the nature and movement of the earth. Allah says, "This means he rolls the night over the daytime and he rolls the daytime over the night." The mountains stabilize the earth. Allah says, "This means, and he has affixed into the earth mountains standing firm, lest it should shake with you, and rivers and roads that you may guide yourselves." Animal life. Allah says, "This means, and we have made from water every living thing." Medical science, embryology. Allah says, "This means, thereafter we made him," the offspring of Adam, "as a nutfah, mixed drops of the male and female sexual discharge, and lodged it in a safe lodging, womb of the woman. Then we made the nutfah into a clot, a piece of thick coagulated blood. Then we made the clot into a little lump of flesh. Then we made out of that little lump of flesh bones. Then we clothed the bones with flesh, and then we brought it forth as another creation. So blessed be Allah, the best of creators." Honey. Allah says, "This means there comes forth from their," the bees, bellies, "a drink of varying colour, wherein is healing for men." Breastfeeding. Allah says, "This means the mothers shall give suck to their children for 2 whole years." Historical facts. Pharaoh of Exodus. Allah says, "This means, so this day we shall deliver your dead body out from the sea, that you may be a sign to those who come after you, and verily, many among mankind are heedless of our ayat." That's proofs, evidences, verses, lessons, signs, revelations, etc. Natural history. Allah says, "This means, say, travel in the land and see how Allah originated creation." The prophecies. Preserving the Holy Quran. Allah says, "This means, surely we, even we, have been sending down the remembrance, and surely we are indeed preservers of it." Inimitability of the Quran being manifest, Allah says, "This means we will show them our signs in the universe and in their own selves until it becomes manifest to them that this, the Quran, is the truth. Is it not sufficient in regard to your Lord that he is a witness over all things,